At the turn of the millennium, ceramic industries embraced technology.
We invested in technological innovation and continuous improvement to ensure our factories became world-class,
setting new standards for South African ceramics. Between 2001 and 2009, ceramic industries experienced significant growth. National Ceramic Industries Tiles closed in 2001.
The other important one was the startup of Pegasus to be able to manufacture high-volume, low-cost products.
Pegasus became operational in 2002.
We built our key factory of Pegasus, whose high volumes empowered South Africans to buy affordable products and substitute imported products.
By 2004, Ceramic Industries had launched NCIA Australia, a glazed porcelain factory expanding international reach. The Sphinx acquisition in 2006 and the move of the registered office to Clay Quarry strengthened operations.
In my view, the next big milestone was the acquisition of Better Sanitary Ware.
Our Better Sanitary Ware factory developed and bedded down the high-pressure casting technology and automated robotic spraying technology that has made it one of the world's leading factories for automation in Sandway.
Factory expansions followed. Pegasus doubled in 2007, and so did Centeris. And Better and Aquarius factories were completed in 2008. In 2009, 10% of Easy Tile shares were issued to BEE partners, furthering inclusive growth.
As we look to the future, innovation and sustainability remain at the heart of our strategy. South African manufacturing has an important role to play in economic growth, creating jobs and developing local skills.
Ceramic Industries invested in advanced technology.
Our focus on design excellence developed products that excited our customers and that they could be proud of and of a quality they could trust.
Ceramic Industries brought efficiency to every factory floor.
We also started to embed sustainability into our manufacturing business, with programs such as packaging recycling, heat recovery from our kilns and dryers, and water recovery from our water plants that we built, making sure that ceramic will be sustainable into the future.
Sustainability became a priority, and products reached homes nationwide through trusted retail partners.
During this period, we also developed key partnerships with our customers, such as Itatal, CTM, Top T, Cashbuild, Massmart, Union Tiles, Tiletoria, and many more. These partnerships have been instrumental in our success over the years.
Ceramic Industries combined technological innovation, strategic expansions, and market leadership to shape the future of South African ceramics.